Actually, the Reiki started for me almost 4 years ago. I was diagnosed with a cancer 3.5 years ago, and because of the radiation that I used to get on my left-hand side, had 37 sessions. I was recommended by someone that I should find somebody who would do Reiki for me to help me to go through that. Of course, at that time I didn't know anybody doing Reiki, so I contacted some people in town in Hong Kong, and I found out a lady who was doing Reiki for the last 7 years. So she came in my home and she explained to me the principle of it, and we did a couple of sessions, and I realized very quickly that it was very helpful. So then what I did, I went to YouTube and I looked at videos about the Reiki to understand a bit more. I bought the book and I started to do myself the Reiki, because as you know, you can do your self-healing. Of course, the Reiki didn't cure my cancer, but what it did, it helped me to stabilize my mind, because as you know, when you have such a disease, mentally is very important to be positive, because it does affect how your body behaves as well. So I used to do my own Reiki during all 7 weeks of treatment, which was very helpful. And then subsequently I registered for the course. So I did level 1, level 2 and level 3. And now I'm practicing Reiki between 2 to 3 times a week, and sometimes more, depend on my time and my ability to do the session. But there is one thing which I also discovered. I'm a fencer, and I do a fencing competition on the international level. And you may not know, but if you want to be a good fencer, the skill is one thing, but you need to be very calm, because that's a skill that you need. And I'm a very emotional person. Maybe I doesn't look like, but I can be very emotional. And when I do fencing, that doesn't work. So I learned to use the Reiki from a positive standpoint, and to do a session before the competition, and it really lowered my heart rate. It make me very calm. So when I go to start the fight or the competition, then my mind is very stable, and it has been proven through the score and everything else, and it has a very positive effect on me. So I benefit out of this, but also during my day-to-day work, when I go to the office and, there is a very difficult day, or we are very busy, or like now in Hong Kong with the flu, it's an opportunity to use the Reiki from a positive standpoint. A lot of people are depressed with the situation, and I think it's very encouraging to use the Reiki with the community and use that spirit and give the energy to the people just to be positive, which is one of the main elements that I've learned from the Reiki, the positiveness of it.